In this video, we'll be taking you to two big malls in Karachi, Clifton. First mall is Ocean Mall. We will visit. There we will show you the decoration they did. Do anything. Don't touch anything. And the second mall we visited was Dolmen Mall, and here we're going to show you that how did they decorate the Eid decorations. So all this you will see in this video. So friends, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.
हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे आप लोग। मैंने सोचा भाई हमेशा वीडियो का स्टार्ट जो है वो मैरी करती हैं, बट मे बी टुडे आई कैन स्टार्ट द वीडियो। सो बेसिकली इट्स फ्राइडे टुडे, ईद इज़ ऑन मंडे, तो टुडे वाज द लास्ट वर्किंग डे। तो आज ज़रा हम चाह रहे थे घूमने के लिए। वी थॉट कि ज़रा ईद की जो डेकोरेशंस हुई हुई है मार्केट में वो ज़रा देखते हैं क्या है सीन। मैरी को कुछ चीज़ें भी मार्केट से ख़रीदनी है, तो वी आर गोइंग आउट बेसिकली फॉर स्मॉल शॉपिंग एंड जस्ट फॉर अ टूर ऑफ द मार्केट्स। राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ओशन मॉल. If we find time, we might also go to Dolmen. Let's see. We also plan to visit Forum, Clifton के एरिया में जो भी हमारे करीब 3 मॉल्स हैं, तो वहाँ जाएंगे. Let's see क्या सीन है, आपसे भी शेयर करेंगे. We'll share the video of our tour there. If I don't know what Mary wants to buy, कुछ उसके आइटम लिस्ट पे है चीज़ें. Let's see what they are. वो भी होगा, कुछ आप लोगों के साथ चलेंगे, कुछ आप लोगों के कमेंट्स भी जमा करेंगे कि आप लोग अपने अपने शहर में जहाँ जाते हैं शॉपिंग वगैरह के लिए मॉल्स में, वहाँ क्या सीन है हमें कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताएगा. वी आर गोइंग टू शेयर द सीन विद यू इन कराची, स्पेशली इन दोज मॉल्स विच आर लोकेटेड इन क्लिफ्टन, कराची. Thank you so much.
Friends, I am wearing this purple color sharar kameez, and my dear son Arthur, he is Arthur. Friends, so I am wearing this purple color sharar kameez right now, and I've tied my hair. So now we are ready to go. So friends, we are come here to Ocean Mall, and you can see that the view of Ocean Mall from outside is looking really very beautiful by the grace of Almighty God. And the time that we had come, there were not too much of rush. Ocean Mall from outside, it looks really very beautiful. As you can see that it's all light up and people are all around, enjoying themselves. So friends, Austin and Arthur, they are making some videos, and you can see that it's decorated so beautifully outside Ocean Mall. And now we are going to go inside and we are going to show you the view of inside, how it's looking. So friends, you can see that Ocean Mall has transformed into a hub of festivity and joy. People all around, you can see they are happy. So friends, let's embark on a journey through its enchanting decorations they did here in Ocean Mall. You'll find lights all around. So friends, this is a small toy shop here. They had it on the ground floor, and Arthur was like he wanting to buy something. So friends, as you see when we enter Ocean Mall, and you see that Ocean Mall, the entrance is light up so beautifully all around, and you can see that it gives you a very beautiful touch of the festivity of Eid around, and it's looking really very beautiful, as you can see. So Arthur has selected his toy that he wanted. He selected an RC car because he's very fond of cars. So he's very very happy getting a car. Wow friends, you can see that it's looking so beautiful. Like from here you can see the top floor and how it is decorated with light. It's like, I have no words to describe that how beautiful at the moment it's looking. Basically it's reflecting the spirit of Eid and inviting all to partake in the celebration. From the lower ground to the top floor, the mall is adorned with colorful banners and twinkling lights. Each floor of Ocean Mall offers a distinct festive experience, as you all can see. The shops all around, they're looking so beautiful, light up with lights all around, and people, they are buying, they're doing their Eid shopping. Stores on the lower ground floor presents Eid collection featuring makeup and more to enhance your festive look. So friends, the car looks so beautiful. Actually here today they were promoting this car. It's called Toyota Cross, and this car is very beautiful. So Arthur, when he saw this car, he was like, Dad, I want to click some pictures and make some videos. So now we are just making some videos of Arthur sitting inside the car, and he's looking really cute by the grace of Almighty God. This car, no doubt, it was looking really beautiful, and white is always a very beautiful color for all the cars. So we are buying some popcorns for ourselves because we were tired walking. So we just thought of eating popcorn because it was too early to have dinner. So friends, Ocean Mall truly embodies the joy and togetherness that Eid brings. So friends, we are come here to Dolmen Mall, and we are going to show you that how did they decorate their mall on Eid. So today we are going to show you all this in this video. So those of you who have not subscribed to this channel are requested to please subscribe to this channel. So friends, as we entered inside, as Eid approaches, Dolmen Mall in Karachi blossoms into a vibrant hub of celebration and joy. You can see that this mall is decorated so beautifully, and on this Eid it is decorated really very beautiful, and you can see the rush of people. Like there are so many people who are come and they are enjoying themselves, and you can see all around there is light all around. So friends, let's explore the enchanting decorations and festive atmosphere that makes this mall a must-visit destination during this holiday season. So here again, when we are come here to Dolmen Mall, here they were promoting this Kia car Sportage, and it's looking so beautiful. This color is looking very beautiful because we have got old memories with Sportage, because we had Sportage earlier and it was a very beautiful car. So now a new model of Sportage has come and it's looking so beautiful. They have really changed the interior of the car completely, and this interior is looking really very beautiful. So friends, this corner of Dolmen Mall is looking really very beautiful. Basically it gives you the vibe of happiness, and basically it's a traditional design inviting everyone to partake in Eid festivities. So friend, a 360 tour of this Dolmen Mall, that how it's looking. Inside every corner of Dolmen Mall radiates the spirit of Eid, from stunning decor to vibrant installations. The mall captures the essence of the celebration, creating a delightful experience for all visitors. This is the most favorite scene of mine when I'm making videos of Arthur and Austin together. It's looking so beautiful, and the background of it is looking really very nice. Wow, I think that this is the most beautiful corner of Dolmen Mall. It is looking really very beautiful. Well, friends, everybody know that Dolmen Mall, basically on Eid, it's the market. It's a one-stop destination for all your festive needs. Here you will find everything in one roof. So we're using the elevator to go on the second floor, and it's looking so good when we are going on top and we can see the view all around us. It's looking really beautiful. The mall is decorated so beautifully. I am showing you the view from the top floor and it's looking really very nice. Here you will find all sort of things, Eid gifts that you wanting to give to your friends, your family. Here you'll find the best collection of clothes. Everything you will find here in one roof, and you all going to love it and enjoy it. So friends, we are come here to Sinbad because we were not planning to come here, but Arthur, you know that he saw Sinbad, so he just ran inside, so we had to come after him. So after walking a lot, we needed to gain energy, so we are come to have our dinner here, and we are come here to Jinsoy. That is important. So friends, after having our dinner, so we are going home. We had a great day. We visited two malls today, Ocean Mall and Dolmen Mall. But if you take my opinion, I think that Dolmen Mall was decorated very beautiful. Even Ocean Mall was decorated good, but I like Dolmen Mall more. So friends, I would like to know in the comment box below that which mall did you like the best, Ocean Mall or Dolmen Mall. You can just write down in the comment box below. So friends, I hope that you like this video, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.